Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to organize your life with Notion in 2025. Now, Notion is a powerful all-in-one tool where you can manage your tasks, your goals, and notes all in one clean system. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on notion.com. Then you need to either log in into your account or sign up with the help of your email account if you haven't already. Once you have done that, you will be landed here on this page where you can click on the option of new page here in the top left hand corner of the screen. And now you can give this particular section the name as Life Dashboard. So once you have done that, underneath it, you need to hit enter, then click on the option of this plus icon. Over here, you can just simply add the tasks. So if you want to make it a to-do list, you can just simply start adding the tasks. You can use the templates database forms over here in the bottom. You can also go to the templates section and you can use the search bar in order to search for life. As you can see, we have the life option. Underneath life, you will see a bunch of different free templates. You can click on any one of these in whichever template you are interested. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one. So you can either preview it and click on the option of add. So once you have added the template in your board, you can click on that template. After that, you can make changes into it. Like if you want to use Notion to track your life in the form of journal, you can just simply click on the option of this pencil icon. After that, you can remove it from here and you can type anything that actually related to your life. You can click on the option of new in order to add new pages, and this way you will be able to basically use Notion in order to organize your life. And you can also just take a look at the marketplace to add more templates. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.